Hello there. Alright. Hopefully this will work out this time. This is my first time using a screen recorder before, and I only have 15 minutes, so I better make this quick. I just tried to start the recording, but I messed up and turned it off, so that's good. Today, on the glorious channel of Grey Sheep 1717, I'm gonna do my first ever Let's Play video. Because the content, it took effort and creativity to make, gets 5 views, and so maybe this will get a few million views and I'll become the next child PewDiePie. Don't know what I mean by the next, but so we're playing Star Wars Jar Jar's Journey Adventure Book, and it's gonna be blind. I just kind of found out this existed and just quickly decided I need to play it for the channel. I know nothing about the game other than it's a game on an adventure book. Looks pretty good. I thought I found a way to download the game right here. Yeah. Let me download it, please. So do I have a JPEG thing? But I don't see that, on the bottom of my screen, normal. Alright, this is good. Corn. Oh, okay, there we go. Alright. Hopefully this game is under 15 minutes long. I guess it could be a multi-parter series, though. This is so good. Oh. I have blood in my mouth for some reason. What? I can't. What's going on? Open. Oh. I can't read. Open. Oh, okay. Oh, well, that was 2 minutes wasted. So, can I not play this game? JPEG? JPEG doesn't do anything for me. Oh. ISO image. I don't know what any of these mean. Minutes left. I don't have minutes left. 3 minutes in. Hopefully 13 minutes. I don't know. I don't feel like doing brain work. Oh, look at this one. Star Wars or Early Learning Activity Center. I think I struggled a little reading on that a little more than anyone ever should. Looks to be the same vein as this one, but it doesn't have Jar Jar, so it's not good. Delete this. What? Don't do this to me. What? What's going on there? Okay, it's just counting down by seconds now, so I think, this sucks. So while we're waiting, I guess I'll check my YouTube account. Do that. Wait, what was that? Oh. Oh. You know what? This looks pretty interesting, actually. Is it, illegal to just watch someone's video, though? I mean, I guess a lot of YouTubers do that for a living, so I guess not. Um, I guess to get into the mood, we can watch my favorite video. This one. Well, at least one of them. This is like one of my favorite ones. Actually, you know what? The recording software, because I don't want to spend any money buying one. It's like a trial version. It won't. It says it won't record computer audio, so that's good. You won't be able to hear the gloriousness of Jar Jar. Yay! Got 31 views. You know what? It's kind of like weird though. Um, when this first came out, it like got 57 views like pretty much instantly. I don't know. Like, is there view bots or something? I don't really get it. This was uploaded on December 1. I swear it was in November. I don't know what's real anymore. It's loud. Is that so loud? I guess it might be my headset. Yeah, I'm quite proud of this video, even though, admittedly, um, I feel like it didn't take that long to make. Like, I didn't even plan to make it at the time, I just made it, and it took like 20 minutes, I swear. But though, this looks kind of interesting. Don't know why the YouTube name is Thor Skywalker, but I think I've seen his video on the midi-chlorians. Um, this one. You can look, you have eyes. This, look, it's just, I don't get it. Why open? I don't want to open when done, because I might have a video on, oh, 7, almost, pretty much 8 minutes in now. Oh no. Oh wait, you don't get that. Oh no, he's being spammed a lot here. Jar Jar's, oh no. Because, like, Battle of Naboo, but every time something gets hit, Jar Jar says, oh no. It's literally the only full, upload of this fight, this whole scene. And it's also probably the best one because of that. Is it? Are you done yet? Be done, please. Ugh. Wouldn't it be hilarious if it turned out it just didn't download the game? That would be geniusly hilarious. I'm gonna, um, this one. I'm gonna watch this. No. This person spelled Naboo wrong. There's 2 O's. Idiot. The truth behind how Obi-Wan defeated Darth Maul in Episode 1? Why does that... What? Like, it's kind... Like, there are people who don't get that. Like, it's kind of obvious. Like, it doesn't need to be explained that, like, Darth Maul was arrogant and thought he won, but then he didn't win. Like, that shouldn't have to be explained to you. It's kind of obvious. Science explains why you hate Jar Jar Binks. I don't think you need science. Still isn't done yet. And I can't even really see, like, the circle loading process because of my record button thing that's there. I don't know if that will show up in the video. Yo, maybe I should just play with my Jar Jar Binks action figure, which is quite quality. That's a good jump scare right there. It, like, reminds me, this picture right here. For one, I don't even know when the picture was taken, because there wasn't, like, a screenshot of this in the movie. But this picture reminds me of probably gonna hate for mentioning this, but in FNAF 1, or, like, sometimes in the parts and service room, was it even called that then? I think it was. Like, Bonnie's in there, but sometimes he just gets really close to the camera, with, like, a rare screen. This picture reminds me of that. In fact, I might make a video on that or something. Probably won't get views. You know, this is kind of random, but who said it? Yeah, this one. This guy kind of makes a good point, actually. I didn't read the comment fully, but, like, he said that the problem with the prequels, the biggest problem, is that they were made for the fans and not new people. Because you assume that people would watch the prequels first and stuff because of the canonical order. And the thing is that just got me thinking of Darth Vader's first, because, Anakin Skywalker, Luke's father, being Darth Vader was like the biggest twist of all existence of all time. But you wouldn't have that twist in canonical order. Yeah, you know what I meant. I just said it wrong. Yay. The thing is, though, is I'm not entirely sure how you would be able to do, like, the whole Anakin turning evil thing and not take away the Darth Vader twist. Like, let's just say that Darth Vader was never, like, said as Darth Vader in Revenge of the Sith when he was, like, Anakin still, like, the physical body. And then, almost running out of time. Okay. Oh, now I feel panic now. Look at this face. Just look at it at the end of this video. Is it still going? That down. Look. 6 minutes. Alright, I guess the next video. I'll wait until that's done. We'll actually start the series. Or the video. Yay. Goodbye.